Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover or view the deleted messages in your Messenger. So first thing first, you have to launch your Messenger application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Select this menu button and go for Settings. Scroll all the way below and access See More in Accounts Center. The settings page is same as Facebook. Now in here, you have to scroll below. Under Account Settings, select Your Information and Permissions. Now in here, you will see export your information. Go ahead and open it. It will take you to an additional site. Select create export. If you would like, you can read this. It says we can export a copy of the information to an external service or export it to your device. Now this might or might not include the messages that you have deleted. It depends upon the date range. If it has been like less than a month, it could be recoverable. If not, there are less chances of it. If you'd still like to try, select your account. For example, I would like to do it for my Facebook. Now you can either select export to device or external service. Now in here, it will show you email address. Once it has been downloaded, you will get a copy of it and you will get notified in your email. Once you get notification in your email, come back to the Messenger page and you will have it right there. Select Start Export. This is the date range. You can totally customize it and also the format itself. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.